Stop arguing with fools, here's why. The donkey told the tiger. The grass is blue. The tiger replied. No, the grass is green. They argued and argued. Eventually they decided to go to the lion, the king of the jungle, to settle it. Before they even arrived, the donkey shouted, Your Highness, isn't it true the grass is blue? The lion replied, Yes, the grass is blue. The donkey cheered. See, the tiger keeps arguing with me. Punish him. The lion said. The tiger is sentenced to 5 years of silence. Repeating to himself. The donkey left thrilled. The grass is blue, the grass is blue. The tiger stayed behind, confused. He asked the lion, Why did you punish me? The grass is green. The lion replied, It is green. Then why the punishment? Asked the tiger. The lion said, Because you wasted your time arguing with a fool. And then brought it to me. The truth didn't matter to him. Only winning did. You knew better. But you still argued. Stop debating people who don't care about truth. Their goal isn't clarity. It's ego. Moral lesson of the story. Never argue with fools. Don't answer the foolish arguments of fools, or you will become as foolish as they are.